I wanted to initially apply to medicine, but I hadn't gotten any offers. The plan was I was going to take a gap year, reapply, do some exams again, but I didn't really want to do that, so I thought finding a course through clearing would be the best thing. I called a clearing line and they said, oh, we'll put you in contact with the course leader. And I think like that afternoon I had an interview with them, so it was really, really quick. Immediately after the interview they said, oh yeah, you can come join the course. And then it took a few days for the paperwork and stuff to go through, so I could start looking at accommodation. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I think I found university difficult at the beginning just because I'm not that much of a fan of meeting new people, but now I can't really imagine my life not being at university and not having the friends that I have now. There are so many opportunities there, especially through clearing. I think clearing's definitely put me on the path that I want to go down.